Feeling tired, sluggish, or just low on energy? This leafy green might be your new best friend. Spinach isn't just salad filler, it's actually one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth. Today, I'm breaking down how spinach can boost your energy, build healthy blood, and fuel your day, all naturally. Let's get into it. So, why is spinach an energy superfood? It's packed with iron, a mineral your body absolutely needs to make hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen to your muscles and brain. More oxygen equals more energy. When your cells are oxygen rich, you feel more alert, more energized, and way less fatigued. But spinach isn't just about iron. You also get magnesium for muscle function, folate for red blood cell production, and vitamin C, which actually helps your body absorb that iron even better. Here's how spinach helps you feel stronger and more energized every day. First, it supports healthy red blood cells. That means better oxygen delivery throughout your body. Second, eating spinach regularly can help prevent iron deficiency and anemia, major causes of tiredness and weakness. Third, it boosts your physical stamina and sharpens your mental focus. Fourth, it supports your metabolism and cellular energy production. And finally, it even helps you recover after workouts, thanks to all those essential nutrients. Now, how do you actually get the most out of spinach? You don't have to stick with salads unless you want to. Some of my favorite ways: toss it into a smoothie with bananas and berries, lightly saute it with garlic and olive oil, stir it into soups or lentil stews, or scramble it into eggs for a protein and iron combo. And here's a pro tip: squeeze some lemon juice or add bell peppers or tomatoes to your spinach dishes. The vitamin C in these foods helps your body soak up even more of that iron. So what about raw versus cooked spinach? Raw is great, but it does contain oxalates, compounds that can block iron absorption. Lightly cooking spinach breaks down some of those oxalates, making the nutrients more available. I like to enjoy a mix of both raw and cooked to get the best of both worlds. So next time you're feeling low on energy, remember this humble leafy green. Spinach is a natural energy booster, a blood builder, and an all-around health hero. If you learned something new, hit that thumbs up and let me know your favorite way to eat spinach in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more weekly healing food tips.